is no specific treatment that allows for an increase in semen production. However, making some lifestyle changes can help when it is affecting the quality of the semen. The recommendations would be these. Follow a balanced diet. Drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Practice moderate sport regularly. Avoid stress. Avoid alcohol, tobacco, or other drugs. And don't wear tight clothing in the genital area. On the other hand, eating foods rich in zinc can also be beneficial for seminal volume. However, it's important to keep in mind that these tips can help improve the amount of ejaculate when there's no more serious underlying cause producing the hypospermia, which may require specific treatment.